Oh my gosh, this is great. I'm starting a new business. Woohoo! All right, go on. Because I know there's a need for a product and no one is making these. But I don't know a thing about how to make the product. That's okay. Don't let it stop you. Do I need to learn that? Ha! Great. Do I need to learn that in order to launch a business making and selling these? Guess what? You don't. What? I hear you say? Okay, you tell me. Like, pick a huge organization that you really respect. They're doing something great in the world. They're for-profit or they're not-for-profit. You tell me that the head of this organization knows how to do every single function in this organization, including providing every aspect of a service or manufacturing a product or buying it and reselling it. Right? Not going to happen. If an organization is large enough such that you have heard of it, guaranteed, if there's a team, that there is some intellectual mind share happening. One person doesn't have to know everything. So if you really see a huge market need for something, no, you don't have to know how to make it yourself. What you do need to know how to do is be clear on your vision, express your vision, put together and make the decisions that a founder needs to make. You know, I ran a course for young entrepreneurs a number of years ago in South Carolina. It was called the Young Entrepreneurs Program. And there was a rallying cry. The entrepreneur gets to choose. And whether you're 9 years old or 16 years old, as was the age range of this group, or whether you're an adult, the entrepreneur gets to choose. And I maintain that's the same thing for the founder. And for any nonprofit founders who are watching this call, you might say, yeah, there are so many other people involved, so many pressures. Sure. But at some point in the development of the organization, those choices are made, and it's the founder or the entrepreneur who gets to choose. So what you need to do is be excellent at crystallizing your vision, communicating that vision and inspiring others, choosing a legal structure for your organization, as well as an organization structure, designing an organizational culture, choosing strategy. What's our overall strategy going to be? You've identified a market need. That is amazing. And I have every faith that the solution, the problem that you're solving and the solution that you're providing is a worthy one. People are in need of this, whether or not they're cognizant of their need for it, whether or not they're aware of the possibility that a solution exists. I have every faith that your company, once up and running, can really make a splash and make the world a better place. So those four things, that's vision, structure, strategy, and culture. Those are four key skill sets that you do need to have. Those are areas in which you'll need to make choices. After that, it's all operations. So if you can create a workable financial plan with a risk profile that works for your organization, that works for your existing capital sources and your ability to secure additional capital, then you can build up the five main areas of operations, which includes products and services, finance, HR, sales and marketing, and systems and processes. Those are the 5 main areas of operations. And if you can nail a plan for those and funding for those, then as long as you set up great communication across your team members and between you and your team members, no, you'll never have to pick up a blank in your life. You'll never have to pick up a shovel, a sewing machine, a computer with programs on it for consulting services, whatever it is. What you need to do is lead and put those systems and processes in place, put those people in place who can really be there and form an amazing and high performance team. Of course, there are loads and loads of books and videos and TED Talks on all the aspects of this. So this is just a weekly 30-minute show, but that's my take as a CFO. You don't have to be an expert in the thing that your new company is going to do. What you need to do is be able to bring in and pay for other people to do that while you maintain the inspirational role and clear vision and absolutely embrace the decision-making opportunity that you have. The entrepreneur gets to choose.